If you are thinking of buying a new home from a builder, you need to call our team over at Texas New Home Tours before you start your search. Why? Well, for starters, we will come pick you up in our private luxury limo and take you to look at any new home community you want to see. Today, we are riding out to take a look at one of Houston's best-kept secrets, Balmoral, a land Tejas community. Not only does Balmoral have over 15 builders to choose your perfect home from, but they have one of the most amazing community features in Houston. A huge, crystal-clear lagoon with white sandy beaches, kids' splash pad, cabanas, true resort-style living, and they even have paddle boats and kayaks for you to take out on the lagoon. There is no other place in Houston where you can walk out your back door or take a short golf cart ride and enjoy this resort type of living. I know it might be hard to believe, but homes in here start in the mid-200s. If you are interested in this type of luxury lifestyle, give us a call at the number below and our limo will come pick you up and bring you out to see this beautiful community. It is the most stress-free and most enjoyable way to shop for a new home. Oh, and when you purchase one of these beautiful homes, you can use our moving truck for free. We look forward to helping you find the home of your dreams. Give us a call today.